Hi, I'm Pat Pattison, and I'm here today because I think this is going to be a really good time. I want to show you the two entries I brought. This one is Colcannon, it's Irish mashed potatoes, and this one is a shrimp potato pie. So I'm hoping they'll win.
One thing I can say, boy, I love you all the time. Hold me, love me, hold me, love me. I ain't got nothing but love, babe. 8 days a week. No hell below us.
Here we are at the world famous Wimberley Unity Mashed Potato Cook-Off. My entry is Mother Earth covered with world peas.
My name is Matt West. I have two entries, a stuffed potato and a potato salad. It's a beautiful place out here. It's the first time I've been here. It's really nice.
Really neat tater chips, tater tots, tater salad. I'll go into my potato ballad, whether scalloped or mashed or au gratin. The potato will not be forgotten. Potato, 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 potato.
Oh, that was
Oh, thank you. I've heard a few people say they think mashed potatoes are somehow not spiritual. I'm telling you, nourishment is spiritual. And what are we doing up here on the hill besides nourishing each other spiritually? So yeah, we're going to keep having the mashed potato cook-off and the silent auction and the kids thing and the great music. So we'll see you here next year.